Please, I'm not. I've just gotten off a flight. So we're talking about what's up. Everything is okay. Everybody's okay. Should I look here or should I look here? I'm working. So over here, I'm come to speak about the cause of making the rural women and the women in India more literate using the internet digitally, because that's the easiest way to do that. To be connected is the only way to make India progress. I'm very excited that Global Citizen has come here to India. It's a very smart decision because India's biggest asset is their people. You know, I think we have a huge population, like everybody knows, and it's smart to kind of invest in the future of India, because if India progresses, then the world progresses. So I'm excited. Everybody is seeing. I was right now in America, and everybody was talking about how do we come and invest in India? How do we break into the market? And I feel we have a lot of potential. And if just seeing the amount of people that have come here to, I don't know if they're here to support the cause. I'm pretty sure they're here to see Coldplay and all the other artists perform, which is also okay. But they're willing to shell out the money to do that. So if more people come here and even listen, maybe 5% of them listen to what we have to say, it's a job well done.
आप किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए
कौन कौन परफॉर्म कर रहा है?
आप किसकी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ज़्यादा उत्सुक हैं?
I have not seen the lineup at all. Coldplay, I mean, obviously, huh? Oh wow, it's amazing. I'm looking forward to all of them. I'm looking forward to Rahman perform. I've seen him actually. He's done music for a couple of my films, a couple of my dad's films also. तो मैंने उनको सिर्फ recording studio में देखा है. Actually, I've never seen him perform. It's weird being in this industry for so many years. I've never seen him perform on stage, and apparently he's phenomenal on stage. So I'm looking forward to it.
बहुत सारी यूथ है, बहुत
युवा, हाँ जी.
उनको आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बहुत सारे यूथ हैं।
मैं युवा को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि जो शक्ति है, जो पावर है, वो हमारे हाथ में है, और अगर हम और हमें ये पावर, ये शक्ति बहुत ही समझदारी से यूज़ करना चाहिए, और अगर ये हम करेंगे तो आई थिंक इंडिया जो I'm very proud to be an Indian. I'm very, very proud to be an Indian and never leave my country. And you know, the more I see the way the world is progressing, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, पर we have a certain responsibility. So, and India being a predominantly youthful country, I feel the power is in our hand to kind of change the way other people think also. Look forward to. I don't say anything on that show. Kareena is one of my closest friends, so she made sure I didn't say anything wrong. That's amazing. I've just signed up with UTA. मेरी कोशिश जारी है. अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा काम मिले तो मैं कर लूँगी. In all humility, honestly, I've not got any work till now. Whenever I get good work, I'll do it. हाँ जी. बहुत सालों बाद पहले. चलो, नमस्ते.